What is up, everybody? It's Corey Peterson, your Up North car guy, and I'm here at the GR Auto Gallery in Traverse City, Michigan with this 2001 BMW M3 convertible. This is an E46 M3. It's powered by a 3.2 liter straight six, 333 horsepower from the factory, 6-speed manual transmission, black paint, black leather, black top. This thing is in awesome shape. You get upgraded wheels from ASA, Stop Tech brake kit. This thing is really cool, super quick, and a great summer cruiser. So let's take a look at this car. All right, 83,000 miles on the car. You can see the black leather interior looks great. The leather is almost perfect. It looks like no one's ever even sat in the back seat. The power top works perfect. Heated seats, good fuel economy, awesome performance for the money. Priced online at $13,900 right now. The link to the vehicle is in the description below. You have any questions about the vehicle, by all means, reach out. Call, text, email, DM on Instagram or YouTube, Facebook, your favorite social media. You can find me there at Up North Car Guy. Yeah. Really cool BMW, 2001 BMW M3 here at the GR Auto Gallery in Traverse City. Let me know if you have any questions about the vehicle, and I will talk to you guys next time.